Exporting your video properly is one of the most important parts of editing. Even if your project looks amazing inside Premiere Pro, the wrong export settings can reduce video quality, create blurry footage, or increase file size unnecessarily. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to export high-quality videos in Premiere Pro step by step in 2026. Before exporting, make sure your editing is fully complete, including cuts, music, subtitles, color grading, and effects. Now save your Premiere Pro project to avoid losing any changes before rendering. To begin exporting, go to File, then Export, and choose Media. This opens the Export Settings panel. For most platforms like YouTube, social media, and general video sharing, H.264 is usually the best export format. Premiere Pro includes export presets for YouTube, 4K videos, and different resolutions, so you can start with one of these presets and customize it later if needed. After exporting, watch the final file carefully to make sure the quality, audio, and playback look correct. And honestly, exporting at extremely high settings doesn't always mean better results. The best export settings usually depend on your platform, audience, and video purpose. And that's your full guide on how to export high-quality videos in Premiere Pro in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to render sharper, cleaner, and more professional-looking videos using the right export settings.